Today I am going to talk about diabetes. According to Center of Disease Control and Prevention, the rate of new diabetes cases nearly doubled in United States in the last 10 years. The same thing is happening all around the world also. The annual rate of new diabetes cases rose from about 5 per 1000 in the mid 1990 to 9 per 1000 in mid 2000. Some areas it is at 13 per 1000 or higher in increased rate. Estimated 1 in 4 diabetics have not been diagnosed. When you are stressed, your blood glucose level rise. Both physical and emotional stress can promote an increase in hormones like epinephrine and cortisol kicks in, since on one of these major function is to rise blood glucose to help boost energy to help meet the challenges, resulting in a increase in blood glucose level. Normal people, they can bring it down again, but diabetic people, they cannot bring this glucose level down. In diabetes, basically 2 things occurs. 1, lack of insulin for the body's need. Second is resistance of body to available insulin. When you take prescription medicines and disease progresses, gradually resistance increases and your doctor keeps on increasing dose after dose and changing one after another medications to higher one, which means more and more side effects to them. Your doctor say that once you are on these prescription medicine, then you can't be out of this web of medications because there is no cure for high blood pressure or diabetes or high cholesterol. This is not true. When you take more and more medications, their side effects, then while eating less and without sweets also, why your medications are increased. Have you ever thought about these things? Your cholesterol and blood pressure increases and you land in heart problems, needing surgeries, balloangioplasties, bypass surgeries, angioplasties, and kidney problems leading to dialysis. This is what happens with every diabetic patient ultimately. But our special dietary supplements probably increase insulin production, reduces requirement of insulin, does wonderful detoxification, rejuvenation, which lead to reduce body's resistance to available insulin. Gradually, your drugs keep on reducing and you get better day by day, and ultimately you don't require those medications, which is happening with most of the people you watch every time on my show. It will protect from further damage and repairs the old one. It improves the overall body function, especially of kidney, liver and heart, blood vessels of the heart and other part of the body. You will always listen to real people on my show and you can make it from their faces. They feel energetic, they are more healthy and strong. Pancreas produces many hormones, and in those hormones, insulin is very important. In type 1 diabetes, insulin is not produced, so that the glucose is coming and going back, it is not unable to enter into the cell. Every cell needs energy, which glucose provides. And in type 2 diabetes, insulin is produced, but you can see here, it is unable to open the door. It acts as a key to open the door so that energy will go into the cell and cells will get energy. But because of insulin resistance, the insulin is produced more in pancreas and you need more medications and ultimately you need injectable insulin. Now I will show you complication of diabetes. Blood sugar level increases in diabetes and because whatever we eat, it converts into glucose ultimately. And insulin goes and digests, it helps in the digestion of blood glucose level. It acts as a key and it opens the door of the cell so that blood glucose can go inside and body will get energy. In the lack of, when the glucose level is more in the blood, so cells they get damaged. That's why organ damage takes place in heart, everywhere in the body. So this is what happens when the blood glucose level is more and the body cells, they get less energy. It affects eyes, heart, blood vessels, nerves, kidney, limbs, peripheral muscle system, everywhere it is affected. In eyes, diabetic retinopathy takes place. You can see here the blood vessels, they get damaged because of lack of insulin. Retina performs electric pulse, it needs blood supply, which is badly damaged in diabetic people. You can see here there is damage, there is a detachment and blindness takes place. Heart complications in diabetes, you can see here when the insulin resistance takes place, when lack of insulin, and in diabetes the heart vessels, they get clogged, and because of that heart attacks takes place, stroke takes place, and particularly loss of blood supply in peripheral limb. In kidney, diabetic nephropathy takes place. Kidney filters waste product from the blood and it sends all the waste product into urine. In diabetic people, because of the diabetes and the medication, side effect of the medication, which damages liver, kidney and other part of the body. So now the kidney is damaged and ultimately blood vessels and nervous system of the kidney is damaged. So people, they need dialysis. Diabetic neuropathy. In nervous system, regulates heart function, digestion, bladder and bowel and sexual organs. And in diabetic neuropathy, all these things system is damaged. Peripheral neuropathy, that affects hand and legs. You can feel tingling and numbness in your fingers, and ultimately brings injury also, and in the periphery particularly, and gangrene takes place and wound healing does not take place, so that many times fingers are amputated. Other complications of diabetes are non-ketotic hyperosmolar coma is a type of diabetic coma associated with a higher mortality seen in diabetic mellitus type 2 diabetes patients. It is usually precipitated by an infection, myocardial infarction, stroke or another acute illness in diabetic person. Serious long-term complications include so many other problems like cardiovascular disease with silent heart attack, chronic renal failure, retinal damage, which is known as diabetic retinopathy, which can lead to blindness, nerve damage or several other kind of problems, Microvascular damage causing erectile dysfunction. This is what happens to diabetic patients. Their sexual desire and erection goes away. Poor wound healing can lead to gangrene and possibly to amputation. Adverse effect of metformin. Trade name is Glucophage, Riomet, Fortamet, Glumeza, Obimet, Diaben, Diabex, Diaformin. These metformin, which is mostly people, they are diabetic people, they are taking metformin. It causes lactic acidosis. Remember this thing. Is the most serious potential life-threatening side effect of metformin, especially people with impaired liver or kidney function. If you are having little swelling, these kind of people, they should not take metformin, but they are given again and again, and you are taking every day. So diabetic heart failure patient with elevated systolic blood pressure are at risk, increased risk for developing acute decompensated heart failure, which is often associated with decreased kidney function. Metformin associated lactic acidosis is a fatal side effect that may occur when kidney function is decreased. Remember this thing. So whenever you are having any little kidney problem also, metformin should not be given what people are taking.